Now let's see these two examples. Solve the recurrence relations using substitution method. First one, t of n equal to 2t of n by 2 plus n, comma t of 1 equal to 1. Second one, t of n equal to 2t of n by 2 plus 2, comma t of 1 equal to 1. So let's see the first one. T of n equal to 2t of n by 2 plus n. Here we have n by 2. So let us derive t of n by 2 formula. So in place of this n, substitute n by 2. Then we will get 2t of, in place of n, substitute n by 2. N by 2 by 2. Then n by 4. Plus in place of n, substitute n by 2. So n by 2. So this is nothing but the formula for t of n by 2. Here we have n by 4. So let us derive the formula for n by 4. So t of n by 4 equal to 2t of, we know t of n. So in place of n, we have to substitute n by 4. In place of n, substitute n by 4. N by 4 by 2 means n by 8. Plus in place of this n, substitute n by 4. N by 4. Now let us substitute t of n by 2, t of n by 4 in this formula. So what is the recurrence relation that is given? T of n equal to 2t of n by 2 plus n. 2 into what is t of n by 2? Already we know about t of n by 2. 2t of n by 4 plus n by 2. Additionally we have n plus n. So 2 into 2 means 4. So 4 into t of n by 4 plus multiply 2 with n by 2. Then 2 will be cancelled. So plus n. Here we have one more n. So n plus n means 2n. Next, we know about t of n by 4. So let us substitute t of n by 4 in this formula. So 4 into t of n by 4. What is t of n by 4? 2t of n by 8 plus n by 4. Additionally, we have 2n. That is equal to 4 into 2 means 8. 8t of n by 8 plus 4 into n by 4 means 4 will be cancelled. N. So n plus 2n means 3n. So on, what is the kth theorem? T of n equal to, if you see here, we can write this as 2 power 3 into t of n by 2 power 3 plus 3n. So 2 power 3, we can write this as 2 power 3. Here we have 2 power 3 and 3n. If you see here, we can write 4 as 2 square. 2 square into t of n by 2 square plus 2n. So likewise, this is nothing but 2 power 1 into t of n by 2 power 1 plus 1 into n. So on, what is the kth theorem? 2 power k into t of n by 2 power k. Here we are getting 2 power 3 means 3n. 2 power square means 2 square means 2n. So k into n. So this is nothing but kth theorem. Okay. So for space constraints, I am arranging this portion. So what is the equation now? The recurrence relation, the kth theorem is 2 power n equal to t of n equal to 2 power k into t of n by 2 power k plus k into n. So let this 2 power k equal to 1. Here we have 2 power k. So let 2 power k equal to n. Apply log on both sides. Then we will get log 2 power k equal to log n. Log a power m means m log a. So k log 2 equal to log n. So by default the base value is 2. So log a base a means 1. So k into 1 means 1. By default the base is 2. So log a base a equal to a. Log a base a equal to 1. So what is k value? K equal to log n. Okay. So now let us derive the formula for t of n. T of n equal to, so let us derive this formula in terms of n. What is 2 power k? N into t of n by, what is 2 power k? Let us derive in terms of n. N plus what is k? Log n into, additionally we have n. So n into t of n by n means 1. 1 log n into n can be written as n log n. So n into what is t of 1? In both the problems t of 1 is given, that is 1. So plus n log n. So out of n and n log n, the most dominant term is n log n. So the t of n. So the time complexity of the first recurrence relation is order of n log n. Now let us see the second example. So what is the difference between the first and the second example? In the first example, we are adding n. F of n is n. Whereas in the second example, f of n is 2. We are adding 2. So let us solve the second example. So t of n equal to 2t of n by 2 plus 2. So 2 into, what is t of n by 2? In place of n, substitute n by 2. Then we will get 2t of n by 4 plus 2. Additionally, we have this 2. So t of n by 2. This is t of n by 2 formula. It is separately we have 2. So we can write this as 2 into 2 means 4. 4t of n by 4 plus 2 into 2 means 4. So plus 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2. Next, that is equal to 4 into, what is t of n by 4? In place of this n, substitute n by 4. So 2t of n by 4 by 2 means n by 8. Plus here we have 2. So 2 plus, this is t of n by 4 formula, and additionally we have 4 plus 2. So that is equal to 4 into 2, 8. 8t of n by 8 plus 4 into 2 means 8 plus 4 plus 2. So what is kth theorem? T of n equal to, here we have 8, here we have 8. So 2 power k into t of n by 2 power k. If you see here, 8t of n by 8, 4t of n by 4, next 2t of n by 2. Next we have 8, 4, 2. Here 8 means 2 power k. 4 means 2 power k minus 1. 2 power 3, 2 power 3 minus 1. Next 2 means, next 2 power k minus 2. So on. So what are the last terms we may get? So 2 power 1. Next 2. Likewise we will get. Okay. Next. So let us derive now. So already we have t of n value. This is kth term. So now let us assume that let 2 power k equal to n. So already we applied the formula in the previous example. Then we will get k as log n. K equal to log n. So what is t power n? Now let us derive the formula in terms of n. 2 power k means n. n into t of n by, what is 2 power k? N plus, let us write from right to left. So plus 2 plus, next 2 is nothing but 2 power 1 only. 2 power 2, 2 power 3, so on. What is the last term? 2 power k. Okay. Instead of left to right, we are writing from right to left. So that is equal to n into t of 1. What is t of 1? 1 plus, so this is in the form of geometric progression. GP formula, GP series. We know the formula. So here, let us derive for the formula, geometric progression series formula. Geometric progression, GP series formula is A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. So here what is A value? A is nothing but starting term. So that is 2 into R means common ratio. So what is common ratio here? 2 power 2 by 2 power 1. 4 by 2. That is 2. 2 power 3 by 2 power 2 square. 8 by 4. That is 2. So our value is 2. So 2 power n. Here instead of n we have to write k. Why? Because the last term here is k. 2 power k minus 1 by 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 means 1. So here if you see here, so here we will get 2 into 2 power k minus 1 by 1. That is nothing but 2 by 1. That is nothing but numerator only. Yeah. Here we are assuming n into 1 plus 2 into, here we are assuming 2 power k as n. So 2 into n minus 1. So here we got n, here we got n. So n plus 2n means 3n. So 3n means the time complexity is order of n. So order of n is the time complexity for this recurrence relation.